What happens if the moon crashes into Earth? This might sound like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but let's dive into the science and explore the unimaginable consequences of such a cataclysmic event. The moon plays a crucial role in maintaining Earth's stability. Its gravitational pull creates tides, influences our planet's axial tilt, and stabilizes our climate. Without the moon, life on Earth as we know it would be drastically different. But what if the moon started spiraling towards Earth? This scenario, while extremely unlikely, would be triggered by a massive external force disrupting the moon's orbit. As the moon gets closer, its gravitational influence would cause severe tidal forces, leading to devastating natural disasters. The increasing gravitational pull would result in colossal tides, causing catastrophic tsunamis. Coastal cities would be submerged and the oceans would become increasingly turbulent. The stress on Earth's crust would trigger intense volcanic activity and earthquakes worldwide, reshaping the planet's surface. As the moon approaches, the atmospheric pressure would escalate, leading to violent storms and extreme weather patterns. The sky would be filled with debris, blocking sunlight and plunging the world into darkness. The sudden climate shift would challenge the survival of many species, including humans. And then, the inevitable impact. The moon, a celestial body about a quarter the size of Earth, would collide with unimaginable force. The collision would release an enormous amount of energy, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. This impact would create a massive crater, vaporizing everything in its vicinity and sending shockwaves around the globe. The aftermath would be catastrophic. The Earth's surface would be scorched and the atmosphere filled with debris and dust, blocking sunlight for years, a scenario known as an impact winter. This prolonged darkness would lead to a dramatic drop in temperatures, decimating plant life and causing a collapse in the food chain. While the immediate aftermath seems bleak, humanity's resilience could shine through. Advances in technology and science might offer survival strategies. Underground bunkers, sustainable ecosystems, and possibly even space colonies could ensure the continuation of life. Thankfully, the scenario of the moon crashing into Earth is purely hypothetical and highly improbable. Our moon remains a faithful companion, influencing our planet in countless positive ways. So next time you look up at the night sky, appreciate the moon's presence, knowing it's not going anywhere anytime soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Thanks for watching.